Hello, in this video I want to fix the error unexpected end of JSON input when you try changing your thumbnail. Anyway, I opened my YouTube channel with Chrome browser and I tried to change my thumbnail. And what do I get? I get an error code, unexpected end of JSON input. So I closed the browser, then opened my YouTube channel again with Firefox browser, and I tried doing the same thing. I tried to edit one of my videos. I tried to change the thumbnail. So now I clicked on the change image and I go ahead and pick the new thumbnail from my folder and I wait for it to upload to my channel. And let's watch what happened using Firefox to open my YouTube channel. Okay, let's wait and see what happens. What do I get? Success! Now it worked. So the error code has been fixed. Thanks for watching my channel. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.